Hi, my name is Young. Today I want to introduce a program called the MuseScore. You can compose music, create a music score, or download the music score from internet and play on your computer with this program. You can download this program from musescore.org, musescore.org, and particularly this program is accessible using screen reader. Today I'm going to use JAWS for my screen reader and Camtasia to record this demo. So today we are going to create a song, Are You Sleeping John? Brother John. That is simple song, and let's get started. You can create a new music score either pressing Ctrl N and under File menu. So
menu, File Alt plus F menu, Start Center ellipsis, F4, new ellipsis, Control plus N, leaving menus, title edit.
So I turned off my keyboard echo here because whenever you press notes, you press C and read the value again. It's kind of annoying. By the way, for JAWS, you can download a script from dlee.org for MuseScore. He created a wonderful JAWS script for MuseScore. It reads much better than without his script. So remember dlee.org, then you can download MuseScore script for JAWS. And this dialog, you can fill out titles and composers and different parameters. Now, I don't recommend to put title here because whenever you input a note, the JAWS will keep repeating the title again and again. So we can set the title at the end. Just press enter for this first screen.
Template search edit.
So template, we will simply
choose instruments.
Select treble template.
Treble clap.
Treble clap.
Cut time, common time, beat unit downs.
So we will select cut time, 4 time.
Split button on title -2, press measure beat 1.
So we are ready to input notes here. So as many programs, value is set by the number row. On MuseScore, they define value from bigger to smaller, from 7 to 1. For example, 7 is the whole notes in this case, 6 is half, 5 is quarter, 4 is eighth, and so on and so forth. And when you input a note, you set value first and then you set the pitch. For example, if you want to put quarter C, you put 5 and you press C, and quarter C will be on the music score. So in this case, first note on Are You Sleeping, Brother John, the first note is C, quarter C. So you press 5
beat 1
and C.
Note C5 half beat 1.
And something is wrong, so I press backspace.
Land, press half beat 1.
Okay, 5.
Press quarter beat 1. Note C5 quarter beat 1.
There we go. Unless you change the beat, length of the notes, it retains the same length next notes. For example, if you press D now, it will input quarter D.
Note D5 quarter beat 2.
And quarter E.
Note E5 quarter beat 3.
Quarter C.
Note C5 quarter beat 4.
Again.
Note C5 quarter beat 1. Note D5 quarter beat 2. Note E5 quarter beat 3. Note C5 quarter beat 4.
So if you want to read back, you just press arrow keys.
Note D5.
So I just press left arrow keys from the to move the focus to the beginning and
Note C5 quarter beat 1. Note D5 quarter beat 2. Note E5 quarter beat 3. Note C5 quarter beat 4. Note C5 quarter measure 2. Note D5 quarter beat 2. Note E5 quarter beat 3. Note C5 quarter beat 4.
so if you want to play this,
Note C5.
you have to move cursor to the beginning and then you press spacebar.
Note C5 quarter beat 1.
So you press escape to get out of the player mode, and then
Note E5. Note C5 quarter measure 2.
and let's continue inputting. Still the length is quarter, so you just press E.
Note E5 quarter beat 1.
F.
Note F5 quarter beat 2.
Here we need to change the length to half notes, so press 6 and G
Note G5 half beat 3.
and press 5 for quarter
Note E5 quarter beat 1. Note F5 quarter beat 2.
and 6 for half,
Note G5 half beat 3.
and eighth is 4, so you just press 4.
Note
G,
G5 8 beat 1. Note A5 8 beat 1.5.
G,
Note G5 8 beat 2.
F,
Note F5 8 beat 2.5.
and move the length back to quarter. Press F5, E,
Note E5 quarter beat 3.
C,
Note C5 quarter beat 4.
again 8th again.
Note G4 8 beat 1.
Oops, somehow they changed the note again. So when you change the octave of notes, you press Control up and Control down. You just heard that note was wrong, so you just press Control up
Note G5 8 beat 1.
and
Note A5 8. Note F5 8 beat 2.5.
change length to quarter
Note E5 quarter. Note C5 quarter beat 4.
and
Note C5 quarter beat 1. Note G4 quarter beat 2.
there, and go back to 8. I mean half. That was number 6 I pressed,
Note C5 half beat 3.
and quarter 5, C,
Note C5 quarter
G.
beat 1. Note G4 quarter beat 2.
and then 8. I mean half.
Note C5 half beat 3.
So let's pray that from the beginning. Control Home should work. Sometimes
Up. Note C5 half beat 3.
it didn't work, so I just moved back with Control left and right arrow key. Let's jump between measures
Note
and press spacebar. Yep, that's it. If you have any questions, please contact me and I can help you how to input notes on MuseScore. Happy music!